Do you have leftover egg whites and don't know what to do with them? Let me show you an easy meringue recipe that's simple, delicious and sure to impress. Add the egg whites to a clean bowl and add a pinch of salt for balance. Whip the egg whites until they're foamy and airy. For this recipe we're using 6 egg whites and 450 grams or 15 ounces of powdered sugar. Slowly add the powdered sugar in small portions while continuing to whip. This makes the mixture glossy and stable. Did you know meringue has a fascinating history? It was invented as a way to use leftover egg whites when most desserts only needed the yolks. Mixing sugar with egg whites and drying them made a long-lasting sweet treat. Meringues became popular across Europe in the 16th century. While we call them meringue, in Germany they were once known as Spanish wine. This dessert, which started as a way to reduce waste, is now enjoyed around the world. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice. It softens the eggy flour and adds a fresh touch. Keep whipping the mixture until it's firm with no lumps. This ensures perfect meringues. If you're enjoying this video and want to support us, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Transfer the whipped mixture into a piping bag. You can use different nozzles to create fun patterns and beautiful shapes. This makes the meringues not only uniform but also visually appealing. Place a sheet of baking paper on a baking tray. Pipe small meringues onto the tray. In an airtight container they stay fresh for 2 to 4 weeks, making them perfect for meal prep. You can adjust the size depending on whether you want bite-sized treats or larger meringues. For more variety, add a touch of food coloring or vanilla extract to the mixture. This way you can create meringues that are not only delicious but also colorful and unique. Bake them at 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit using top and bottom heat, or at 100 degrees Celsius or 210 degrees Fahrenheit with a fan oven for 1 to 2 hours. Let us know in the comments which recipe you'd like to see us make in the future.